Ever notice how some people have stunning blue eyes, others have deep brown eyes, and a few with two totally different eye colors? But what causes these differences? Why do some people have dark brown eyes, while others have icy blue? And how does a rare condition like heterochromia give someone two different color eyes in the same one? And today, Tippy podcast will explore the science behind eye color, how it's formed, and what genes are involved, including the fascinating biology behind it. Let's get into it. So first, let's talk about science. Your eye's color is mostly determined by your genes, especially two important ones, called OCA2 and HERC2, located on chromosome 15. And these genes control the amount of melanin in the iris, melanin being the same pigment that gives color to your skin and hair. And the more melanin you have in your eyes, the darker they appear. So, if your iris contains a lot of melanin, it absorbs more light, and your eyes appear brown or dark brown. But if you have less melanin, your eyes reflect more light. Your eyes will appear blue, gray, or green. Now, what controls how much melanin ends up in your iris? That's where genetics comes in. Scientists used to think eye color was determined by a single gene, like brown is dominant, blue is recessive, but it turns out more complicated than that. Eye color is a polygenetic trait, which means it's influenced by multiple genes. That's why predicting a baby eye's color isn't just easy as saying brown is dominant and blue is recessive. You need to look at the whole genetic picture. So yes, two brown eyes parents can have a blue eyes baby if they both carry recessive genes. It's rare, but it's possible. Now, let's talk about melanin a little more. Melanin is a primary determinant of eye color. The amount and type of melanin in the iris, the color parts of the eyes, dictate whether eyes appear brown, blue, green, or other shades. Melanin doesn't just give eyes their colors. It also helps protecting them from the sun. Think of it like natural sunglasses. It absorbs light and shields the eye from UV damage, which is why people with lighter eye colors may be more sensitive to sunlight. Most babies are born with blue or gray eyes because melanin production in the iris doesn't fully kick in yet until a few months after birth. As melanin increases, their eyes color might change, darken into green, hazel, or brown. Sorry if you ever wonder why baby photos of you show you with blue eyes, but now you have brown eyes, so that's totally normal. Heterochromia is when someone has two different color eyes, or even sections of the iris that are different shades. There are three main types. First is complete heterochromia, when one eye is totally different color than the others. 2. Sectoral heterochromia, when just a part of one iris is a different color. And 3. Central heterochromia, when there's a ring of a different color around the pupils. To wrap things up, eye color is all about melanin and genes. Most of us inherit brown, blue, or green eyes through complex genetics. But some people end up with a striking twist thanks to heterochromia. And if you ever meet someone with different color eyes, you have witnessed one of the coolest quirks of human genetics. And here's some final fun fact for everyone. Every human has brown pigments in their eyes. Blue eyes only look blue because of the way light scatters in the iris. The same way the skies appear blue and the space appear black. Thanks everyone for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow for more quick diving into some interesting topic in biology. Thank you.